Hey guys, welcome back. Continuing right from where we left off. It must have been many hours, days, maybe even weeks for you, but been barely seconds for me. So I just continued to film straight after. This game is so good, I can't put it down. The controller, not the game. What a way to go. What if you run out of batteries? What do you do then? You thought that would scare me? Come on, people. Who do you think I am? Ooh, I see a light. Head towards the light. Why was he looking at me? I'm sure it was something. This guy takes his sweet time. Ah, the classic cliche of hearing what you're gonna fight next rather than seeing it. So I really thought I'd get a weapon in this game, but yeah, it works pretty well without one. Is that a guard?
You don't have to be scared of me. I can tell we're the same. You still know it's real. The doctor's dead. You know that, right? Dr. Wernicke.
Hello?
Died before he even started working here. Well, what kind of experiments does a dead doctor perform on living patients? That's the question.
Okay. The first friendly guy you speak to in ages, and you can't even interact with him. Okay. There's gonna be someone at the bottom of here, I can tell. Blood. But which way is it running? If it's floating that way, it'll be from that end. I know I need to stay away from. There's your little lesson, take it. Hello. I would say it would be worth a try climbing out of that, but there is just no way. Oh my god. I'm scared. Oh my god. I don't want to open that. Wouldn't it have made more sense to not go into the asylum rather than actually, I don't know, going into it, I guess? One thing there's not enough of. Horror games and films and stories like books and stuff based on asylums. They need to have more. Or maybe there's too many, I'm just not noticing them. Don't know why I crouched under that. Oh wait, yeah, I had to. Right. No, don't open it quickly. What's the matter with you? I'm just not ready to jump down into there yet. Wait. It's a pool door, not a fish. Good thing I opened that slowly, or else that would have freaked me out. And what is up with that sound? Sounds like a helicopter. Right guys, I'm gonna have to end it here because of the sound. So, I'll see you guys next time.